Welcome to our internship program to be delivered by MDS Accounting Services. This is our general orientation. So the goal of this internship program is to better prepare undergraduate students for their future careers as professional accountants. So this internship program aims to develop their professional attributes and competencies, the abilities to fulfill obligation with clients, which is the quality and worth of work that can only be achieved when organizational skills, tools, teamwork, communication, and trainings are applied, are the attributes that are anticipated to develop during the internship program. So there's only one goal for this one is for you, whoever under the internship program, will be we are going to prepare you for the actual world and how to deal with the clients, what are the work that are need to be done. This is not much work, but we adjust according to the capacity of each undergrad students, as you're not yet exposed or having no complete courses in the accounting. So therefore the bulk of the work is not really for the level of employed accounting professionals. Next is the objectives. Okay, the objectives are we're going to learn how to handle internal audit engagement. Okay, this is one aspect of this internship. Gathering, conducting analytical audit, substantive audit, talk with client employees, preparation of audit report, preparation of audit report result, and presentation of audit result. Then learn how to prepare audited financial statements. You will experience this one, how to do that. Learn how to handle online bookkeeping. I have clients in online bookkeeping. I would like you to know how to use the online bookkeeping software, the QuickBooks Online. Learn how to handle offline bookkeeping. We have QuickBooks Desktop. We have businesses that are here in the local, so we're going to record that, and we're going to learn here how to create chart of accounts that are and customizing reports that are relevant to the decision making of the owner. Fifth is learn how to prepare monthly, so we can have preparation month returns, presentations. So you need how to learn. You have to learn how to understand the content and the essentialities of the figures that are reported in there. Learn how to be internal part of the day-to-day. You will be part of the day-to-day monitoring of the lending business, day-to-day operation, especially in monitoring the cash. Seventh is learn how to work with a team, client, employees, and superiors. And learn to work professionally. Other additional learnings incidental to the nature of work, then turns are involved. Okay? So the approach of the learning is the main of this one is problem solving approach. So we identify the problem, we define the value of solving the problem, what's that. Then we propose the solution. Then we identify and searching for solutions, and applying solutions, solving a problem, then uncovering solutions during the process, because there are other solutions that are being uncovered during the process. And the data gathering, recognizing limitations. There are some limitations like the access of the informations, or other factors that might limit our solving process. Addressing the limitations, how do we address that? Maybe there are some alternatives how to do that. Then the ninth is producing results. Okay, that is the report. The internship program activities here are first, we have internal audit, internal audit, we have external audit, we have online bookkeeping, offline bookkeeping, and the tax returns preparations, which is periodically, monthly, and quarterly, day-to-day operations monitoring, other relevant tasks and jobs. So these are these are related to the objectives of this program, as you can see earlier. Then fifth is the order of internship. So we have general orientation, which is this one. This is part, and we have online training program for the QuickBooks Online periodic. Might also I have to add for the Excel training, and yeah. Then third one is we have orientation for each internship program activity. Yes, for every activity, of course, we have to orient you. Okay, then second is online test on your learnings. We have monthly, so what you do during the month. So we have an online test for that. Okay, the nature of work environment, and we have home-based, then field work, office. Field work is necessary when we are going to gather data. Office work necessary when the preparation of some confidences that I cannot share to you, so it would be done in the office. So that's why we need to have an office work. And other very important that we need to be conducted also to be done only in the office. Allowances provision, you will have for the allowances, I would like to emphasize this dress code. So we have to wear uniform and also the ID. Okay, so this must be checked by just to identify us that we are intern like that, or trainees. Then allowances, you will have allowance of fare. So if you are going to, this is just applicable for field work. Okay, field work and office work. Then you will have allowance for the meals. Orientation not included. We have orientation during the field, and we will start this one for the formal launching. You're going to start as internal auditor. Then the allowances are provided only on the field audit. Yeah, this one, and office work. And that's it for requirements from interns. I need laptop, internet connection at your home, and the knowledge on how to use Excel. So we'll provide training, this one, and knowledge of QuickBooks Online also training is provided. Okay, then the grading system, yeah. So we have first client management's feedback. Each of the branch has its own management, so, or whoever's the representative. So that's 10% of the total grade, and another from your direct supervisor's feedback. It's also 10%, and 5% from colleagues like in your team. So there's a peer evaluation for that, and 5% team leader, who is by the way, the team leader is to be graded by the CEO. So but the team leader has to give grade for their for the members, and 5% from the training test. So whatever is the result of training test, that would be part of this one. 20% from organizational skills, this one. Documentation, document organization, time organization, self-organization. So document is how do you handle some maintaining files. If you're really not, or you're really disorganized, you have a lot of clutters in your files, like in your laptop or what, in your, that's part of that. I mean, evaluation. The time organization will be based on how you manage your time, meeting deadlines, but make progress earlier, like that. So that's part of that. And self-organization, how to present yourself, like yeah, maybe you're having sleepless night and you're not able to do your work during the job during the day, so you should avoid that. Okay, and The another one, this is the big one, is 30% solutions and result. Your ability to find solutions tools, apply solutions, identify limitation solutions. You need to have to be very imaginative, or what we call have some talent of doing this one. Okay, just exert effort. Ability to deliver results, assess accuracy and confidence of result, like that. So you have ability to identify issues, obtain an ideal result, with to measure the gap between the result and achievable result. Yeah, you have to be. These characteristics are really, I need this one. I mean, these abilities. Deliver report your results and its justifications. And the last one is the 15% reporting communication with your management or client. So we could have, each of you has to prepare for the reporting. How do you present it in the public way? I mean, in front of the employees. You should know how to report. And these are the rubrics that we are going to use. For example, for the client, so this is how they evaluate. Then for the supervisor, this is how she evaluates. And for the colleagues, this is how you're going to evaluate your peer. Yeah, for this one, poor, fair, good, excellent. So by the way, the grading of this one is this. So let's say for this lack of courtesy, no respect with you in when you're doing together. This one pair shows courtesy but no sincerity, shows courtesy with sincerity, shows courtesy however with sincerity and connectivity. It's like this one with sincerity but there's no connections, like a compliance, like that. Being civil. This one, professional approach, meaning to say this one a lack professionalism, like that. Shows professional but lack discipline, respect. This one. Also, this one shows discipline but lack respect. This is very personal, something like that. And this is, yeah, so it has complete, so that's excellent. Cooperation, contribution does not show willingness, like that. Hard to find, a lot of excuses. This one is working alone, shows no willingness to share, like that. This is he share effectively with the team. However, this one has like providing some extra effort with the team. He's required, so even doing so after his part is even helping other colleagues to finish their part, like that. So that's 100. And for the team leader, so this is how he gives grade. Lack of courtesy, something this almost the same with that as the above. Okay, except there's an additional, or the additional is this is about the leader and the team member relationship. Lack of willingness to follow, like that. Attends team meetings but lack respect to follow instructions. Shows respect to following instructions and eagerness to be in touch with the team. So that's fair. I mean, that's good enough. But here is like contributes ideas that are useful to the team and maintain submission, like that. So though he is really brilliant, but he still shows like submission to the team leader. Okay, organizational skills, very important. We need to have timeliness, like that. Starts work only on the deadline date. Sometimes we have some weakness like this one. May also fair, 3 days before deadline, saka pa siya start. Then good, making progress 3 days before the deadline, 90% already. This one is 3 days before the deadline, he has already did 100%. This one is document filing, so yeah, that's what I said. So 60%, 20% of this. Here, very disorganized. This one, he has a good arrangement, but no techniques in the arrangement, like providing colors, like the date, like that. Arrange this file strategically in accordance with the color coding names. Okay, so this is one. This one is advanced, really advanced. So you have a lot of ways on how to be like this one. Well, the goal of this one is once that you retrieve the file, you can retrieve it immediately without finding it. I mean, you will know immediately where it is located. One of this one is consistency of the format of the file name, one of the important factors in the arrangement. Here's self-organization. So how do you manage yourself? Like avoiding sleepless night, like that. Here, uh, here my leagues of socialization. So socialization activity over the project. Dito naman, um, having prioritizing the work, but in here exert effort to avoid personal affairs disrupting, like that. So it's able to arrange his personal affair, like so if there are conflicts, so he tried to manage that it would not disrupt his. This one is really extreme, like he has to make some progress over the person, although there are some inevitable circumstances like sickness, family emergencies. Okay, the next one is solutions and results. So what I need in here is your ability to identify problems, ability to suggest solutions, related ideas to solve problems, and resource materials. Here, poor, not willing to assist, not willing to assist, not willing to resolve problem, like that, not willing to identifying issues, have no. Here, lack of passion, the problem. So it's like balanggaan na. Dito naman, demonstrate desire and effort to identify problem. Effort to suggest solutions, related ideas. Here, so there's a desire and effort. On this one, there's a passion to everything. So it's like you can see people like that, very enthusiastic. Okay. And the last one is reported communications. As I said, you are going to report in front of the audience on a small business meeting or a large business meeting, like a quarterly business meeting. You will have the chance to report. Okay. And that's it. So what you gonna do is that we are going to here are the indicators for your performance to grade delivery time reports. You need to make it on time. Okay, excellent is 3 days before the report, it's done before the deadline. Here like preparation organization is how to make it orderly. Here doing fairly in preparation but at satisfactory level only. Well organized in report preparations, and here is highly organized. The quality of the report presentation is here unprepared. Yeah, this one you can understand the report, but there's no communication from the presenter and the audience. Here is you have the content and the presenter is able to communicate the content and the essence of the report. In here, yeah, aside for the content and essence, he is really highly skilled in delivering the report. So that's it. So that's the overall the course outline and how are you going to be graded. Okay, so you can review this from top to bottom. Okay, and I hope that you understand. Thank you.